Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post some global haul videos from all different stores. I love to find the viral stuff I want, stuff I need, all that. So if you like shopping, all that kind of content, definitely hit that subscribe button down there because you don't want to miss my videos. So today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. We have so many new finds. I'm stoked, like beyond belief. And yeah, so grab a snack, subscribe, and let's jump into it. We found a new flavor of the peelers. So this is soursop peelable chia seed added gummy candy. So I of course have to try one because I just need to know. I can never figure out how to peel them. Honestly, I always just bite right into it. Here's what it looks like though. Like, I don't know, how do you peel it? Like, am I just that dumb? Whatever. It tastes like, I don't know, nothing. But for $1.25, why not? So, got those. Then we got some new Gotta Pop Push and Pop Bubble Fidget Sensory Toys, and these are only $1.25. So we have this little shark fish, I guess you want to call it. So we have this one. Then, let me look. Yeah, they were $1.25. Yeah. So, then we got the little heart one. How cute is that? Then this one's my favorite. This one is a little like video game controller. This one's my favorite. With that one. And then the last one I got is this really pretty colorful butterfly. So yeah, these are $1.25, so definitely run and grab them while they're in stock still, before they go viral. Then we got some more of the Spa Luxury 2-pack Brazilian lip balms. I do like these. I still use my full-size one all the time. I love these. They really are so moisturizing. But to get 2 little ones, I feel like is such a good deal for travel. So we have Brazilian hibiscus. We have Brazilian orchid. Brazilian soul. Then the last one is Brazilian flora. So that is that. Okay, we did find the new scents of the hand sanitizers. So the first one we got is Dragon Fruit Bloom, which I do like this one. And then we got Palm Island Breeze. I could not pronounce that. This one smells the most summery, to be honest. So we got that, and they didn't come out with any cases that I saw for it. So I just picked up one of these to go with it. So we got that. Then I picked up a pack of the little lip scrubbers, silicone lip scrubbers, because I got new lip scrubs and I needed to replenish my brushes. So we got these. Then I got another one of the hydrating lip balms compared to Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss, because I wanted this for my travel bag. So we got this. Then we got the Dermacell Labs Oatmeal Milk Toner. Oatmeal, it's no mushroom. I don't know, I saw this all over TikTok and I was like, you know what, I'm going to pick it up finally. So we got that. Then we got my favorite, the Mercier Perfect Hydration Lip Gloss. Love this one. I don't like the newer packaging. I used to have it over here. I like the old packaging one better, so got that. Then, finally, I found this by Pro Soap 24-Hour Moisturizing Body Lotion in Pistachio Paradise. This smells so good. I smelled it in the store before I bought it. This smells so freaking good. It smells like literally the EOS one, because I have the EOS one and I compared it and it literally is the same. So we picked this one up. So excited for this one. Then this is new. It's by Ombre Premium Magnesium Spray. Topical mineral spray enriched with Epsom salt. So revitalizing mineral care, fragrance free. Yeah. So look like this. I'll take it out of the bottle. Packaging. But I guess this is supposed to like refresh your face and yeah, designed to refresh in the skin with a lightweight, fast absorbing formula. Yeah. So it just looks like this. So we got that. Then next bag. I'm just gonna pull stuff out here. We got the Camouflage Liquid Concealer in Neutral Light Medium, because I wanted to give this one, I needed to try another shade of this one, so we picked this one up. Then, I got the blue ice cream sponge as a gift. Then I found this, and it's by Pro Silk Spa Therapy 5-piece blemish extractor set. For $1.25, yes. So you get a hook, a spoon, a needle, a lancet, and an eye loop. It's everything you get in here for $1.25. So we picked that up. Then the last couple things we got for this video is picked these up. They're just scrub brushes, and you get 3 in here. You know, you always have to replace them. So I was like, you know what, it's time, and these are cute colors. Random, I know. Then the last thing we got is this cookbook, low carb cookbook. I just needed like new recipes, and yeah, so we picked this up, and yeah, that completes this haul. I found a lot of like the back to school stuff, but I'm gonna do a whole separate video on that because it's gonna be all one video. So yeah, I'm going to a lot of stores this weekend, so can't wait to find some goodies, and hope you guys enjoy. Definitely don't forget to comment down below what you guys are on the hunt for, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post multiple haul videos, shopping, all that. So if you like all that content, definitely hit that subscribe button down there because you do not want to miss my videos. Trust me. If you're returning, hey, welcome back. Thanks for returning. Make sure you share the channel. You guys don't want to miss my videos. Today's video is a Dollar Tree haul, but it's a little different because I finally found the dumplings. They did limit like 5 per customer per visit, so like you weren't allowed to leave and come back and get more, so I was only allowed to get 5, and I haven't been back to Dollar Tree since. So hopefully I find more today when I go out, but for now we have 5. So you guys don't want to miss these, so definitely grab a snack, grab a drink, and let's get right into this haul. So this is what they look like, and I got 5 because that's the limit. So let's just see. And they're like very strict on their like 5 per customer. So whatever, I get it. At least I kind of not mad about it because at least then we have like a chance to get them, you know. But so I'm probably gonna, after this one, open them and then like show. Okay, so our first one is, oh, okay, so they're wrapped. Okay. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna unwrap these all and then. But so we got pink, and these were $3 each. Did I already say that? So we got the pink. Super cute. Yeah, I'm gonna open them and just show them because it's easier. Alright, next one. I really hope I don't get repeats, but I think I got the glitter one. I definitely did. I can get that one. I'm super stoked. It was worth it. I got the glitter one. So I'm pretty sure this is the mystery one. Of course I ripped, you know, all the packaging. Okay, that was worth it just to get the mystery dumpling, so I'm not mad. Let me look at the packaging, like, see what the mystery one is. Yeah, mystery surprise is the glitter. Okay, next. Okay, so we got green. Cute. So, green. Can't literally just rolling around. Next one, I'm just gonna. Okay, so I got another. This one is soaked, and I guess this one exploded. Okay, we're just gonna put that back in there. Okay, and then our last one, but it might be pink, is blue. So $3 a piece. I got the gold one. This one is broken. So, but hey, so I got. Let me see. Let me just go through what I got. So I got the gold. I got the 2 pinks. Don't even have pink on here. Yeah, 2 pinks. A green. And a blue. Okay, not mad about it. But that is that. And now we're on to beauty. So of course I got more lip scrubbers because there's so many lip scrubs out right now. So got that. Then I got the Colgate Max Fresh Ultra Freeze Pineapple Coconut Crush. And of course this went to $1. As I'm filming this, it's $1 now, but it wasn't when I bought it. Of course, but whatever. So I'm excited to try this though. Then it falls on my foot. We got the 2-in-1 Beauty Impressions Kissy Lip Mask and Lip Scrub Duo. Hydrate, Nourish, Shine, and Smile. And this one's with kojic acid. I don't know how to pronounce that. But that's why I got more lip scrubbers, because I got more of these. So we got that. Then by Spa Luxury, we got the Brazilian Flora Exfoliating Sugar Scrub Dragon Fruit and Leech scent. So I'm very excited to try this. It's very tiny, but, you know, super cute though. Then I got this, and it's by Kristen S. Contains zip-up technology, rose gold temporary tint for pre-lightened or it's the Christine S. Rose Gold Temporary Tint for pre-lighted or highlighted blonde hair, temporary toning, instant brush color, and shower application. So we got this. I'm very intrigued because why not, you know? So we got that. Then we got the new Be Pure body sprays, hair and body mist. So this one's in Cocoa Splash. Smells good. Then we have Peach Breeze, which is my favorite. Then the last one is the Tropic Vanilla. So we got that. Then just grab my bag of goodies that I have. Okay, then we got the Clean Beauty Glow Foundation in Golden Bronze. I've seen this all over TikTok. I want to try it. So we have Golden Bronze. I think, okay, yeah, I got another shade just in case. And then this one is just nude. So I got both shades just to see which one, you know. So I got that. So then I got 2728 monthly planner. That should have went in my school supply video, but oh well. Then, okay, I guess I got 2 nude foundations. Okay. And I guess, oh, and then we got porcelain too. So, you know, if one doesn't work, use it as like a bronzer or highlighters, whatever. Then we got some new face masks. This is like Taste Beauty. You get 4 in here. And this one is Don't Be Jelly Sheet Mask Berry Blitz scented. So we have that one. Then we have one in a melon, Soothing Watermelon with Aloe. Perfect for summer. Then the other 2 are... also, I did get this lip liner from Flower. I did haul this already. We got that. Then I want to say, okay, yeah, this one's fresh lavender. You get 4 in here, by the way. And the last one is Don't Take Me for Pomegranate. Oh, I get it. Vitalizing pomegranate. But that completes this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely found a lot of goodies. So definitely don't forget to comment down below what you guys are on the hunt for, what I should be on the hunt for. And subscribe and share the channel because you don't want to miss my videos. I'll see you all in the next one.